I'm Ellen Bass. I'm going to make for you oven-baked beef tenderloin at high temperature. This is an elegant dish, and you're going to want to serve it at your next party. It's always a crowd favorite. You can always please everybody when you've got beef tenderloin. Now, most recipes call for trussing your beef tenderloin. I don't truss mine. No truss, no fuss. I like to make things easy so that people aren't intimidated at home to make it, and you'll go out to the store tomorrow and hopefully you're going to make this. So let's put it together. The ingredients you're going to need for this is a 3 to 4 pound tenderloin that's been trimmed by your butcher, lemon pepper, salt, and olive oil to drizzle. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Take your tenderloin and sprinkle with lemon pepper and salt on all sides. Put it on a baking sheet with foil, drizzle with olive oil, and bake for 25 minutes for medium rare, which will be approximately 125 degrees if you're using a meat thermometer. For medium, you'll want it to be about 135 degrees. Here is our beautiful beef tenderloin that we've plated for you, and you can see that it's between medium rare and medium.